Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about Scentbird. If you guys have followed me on my channel for a while, you guys know I've talked about this in a lot of my videos. So today I want to share because I just got my box. So if you guys are wondering what is Scentbird, it is a monthly subscription. It gives you the chance to try it over 600 brands of perfume, and I wanted to show you guys. I got my 3 today. Well, Friday. I got mine on Friday, and I'm just getting to it because I was sick, whatever. So I wanted to show you guys the 3 scents that I chose to pick this month. And guys, I really am loving it. So I did get 3 of them this month, and this is one of them. So basically what you're going to do to remove the perfume and change it for a new one every month that you decide to choose a different perfume, you're basically going to flip this, turn it, and then the perfume comes out, and it's this size. This is a 60-day sample, guys. I used to work at a perfume retail store, and the samples that we would give out were like so tiny that even I had to like use more than one to like have for a week. This one is a big one. Look at this. So basically you just take it out and you can replace it with a different one, and then you just push it in and you're ready to go. I did get 3 of them, and the one that I got are Nanette Lepore. This one is a Beautiful Times, and that's the fragrance I got this month. And then I like that it has a little card so I can give you guys the information, or if you're like wondering, hey, I'm going to try this one, it does give you the information of the perfume you got that month. So that's what I really like, and I'm going to tell you guys a little bit. So this one is Nanette Lepore. Is a beautiful, timeless, tantalizes the scents with juicy red fruits, warm vanilla, and a dollop of caramelized sugar in the base. A tranquil heart of serene violets and lush roses provides a calm contrast to the delectable sweetness. So it gives you like all the ingredients in the back. I also got this one is a Spirito, I can't even pronounce it, Fiorentino. That's what it is right here. And then I got a Luminaire Vince Camuto. So I'm going to show you guys all the little vials that I got. So this is one of them that I got. And then I do have like almost all the colors because I love Scentbird. It's like amazing that I get to try out all these fragrances, and it's a monthly subscription. So I'm going to pull this one out as well, and I got it in a white one. And then I just turn it, and then it's good to go. You could put it in your purse. I have one in my purse, I have one in my car, I have one in my bag. I really don't carry a purse around, but I do have like a little wallet where I have stuff, so I put it in there. And then I have the other one right here. This time I got like a pinkish purple one right here. And then as well, I did already use it, so I kind of cheated, guys, because I really like it. So you just spray, you know, and it smells so good. I really like it. I mean, if you really like the perfume, I like that it's like a bigger vial that you can actually try on for days, other than just having a little tiny sample and you're like can't even really try it out because it finishes, partners up with. Okay, so Scentbird lets you choose a new designer fragrance that works for you and men to try for every month for just $15, which it's awesome. I'm so excited. So you'll get a 30-day supply, which is 120 to 140 sprays. That's way more than you'll get in a trial vial you get at the store. You can upgrade and receive 2 to 3 products a month. So you get to choose what you want, you know, monthly. So yeah. I also like that Scentbird partners up with all these amazing retailers like Prada, Gucci, Tom Ford, as well as indie labels like Clozier, Nest, and Toka. I'm kind of reading it off the little list because I want to make sure I give you guys all that information. So you know you're getting 100% authentic perfumes. So I really like that. You guys definitely need to check them out. I'll link all that information down below. I just wanted to share all this because I really love them. Plus they have products from other categories like skincare, wellness. They have makeup. They carry such brands as Kapori, Glam Glow, Glow Recipe, Tarte, and more. Also, I've chose this Persoma Beyond the Body Rituals. It's hot tub cold and flu symptoms relief. It's a 1 bag equals 1 bath treatment. So I fill up my bathtub and pour this in there. I've been feeling sick lately. I just recently got over being sick, and then again I'm feeling sick again for some reason. I have no idea. I feel like my sinuses, I don't know, my system must be like very low. So I wanted to try this out because I've heard, like, I YouTubed a lot of videos about this and everybody seemed like it worked. So I definitely wanted to try it. So I got one so I can try it out. So I definitely want you guys to check them out. They have a bunch of stuff. I'll link them down below. If they do, if I can, I'll put a link down below for you guys if you guys are interested, and a discount code for your purchase if you guys want to try the products out. But I definitely suggest you guys go ahead and at least try it 1 month. Try one of the scents, at least 1, 2, 3, whatever. You can definitely upgrade whatever you guys decide. I like to get 3 because honestly I'm the type of person that likes one perfume and I'll stick to that perfume unless I smell something from a different person and I like how it smells and then I want to try it. But other than that, I'll stick to the same perfume. This gives me the chance to try different perfumes every month, and if I like it, I can reorder it or something. So yeah, definitely check them out. I'll link all their information in the down bar for you guys. It comes with a little cute little pouch as well, so it's great. I really like them. Thank you guys again for watching, and any questions you guys may have, leave them down below. I will be gratefully answer them for you guys. And I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.